Slick as a whistle, unraveling the mysteries of English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have heard but wondered about. Slick as a whistle. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it can add a fun, expressive layer to your conversations. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English. Slick as a whistle is an idiom that means very smooth and efficient. When something is described as being slick as a whistle, it means that it is done so well and effortlessly that there are no problems or obstacles. It can refer to anything from the smooth operation of a machine to the skillful handling of a situation. The phrase, slick as a whistle, has an interesting background. While its exact origins are a bit unclear, it's believed to refer to the clear, smooth sound of a whistle which requires no effort to produce and is free from any roughness or obstruction. Over time, this phrase has evolved to symbolize anything that operates smoothly or is done with great skill and ease. Using slick as a whistle in a sentence is easy once you get the hang of it. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to incorporate this idiom into your daily English. She solved the complex math problem slick as a whistle. The new software update made my computer run slick as a whistle. He navigated through the busy streets slick as a whistle. These examples show the phrase being used to describe actions or processes that are completed smoothly and efficiently. Interestingly, slick as a whistle is just one version of the idiom. You might also hear clean as a whistle, which emphasizes more on purity or the absence of wrongdoing, but can also be used interchangeably to denote smoothness or efficiency. Understanding these variations can enrich your vocabulary and give you more ways to express similar ideas. We hope this video has made the meaning and usage of slick as a whistle clear and easy to understand. Idioms like these add color and depth to our language, making English a vibrant and expressive way to communicate. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use slick as a whistle in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!